Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the speed in DaVinci Resolve. So let's drag our footage to the timeline and try the first method. Make sure that your clip is selected. Then navigate to the inspector panel and choose video. Scroll all the way down to speed change. If this setting is disabled for you, let's try the second method. With our clip selected, hold down Ctrl R and your clip will be highlighted and there will be at 100%. So select that one and change speed. If you want to speed it up, choose from 110 and down below. But if you want to slow it down, choose the lower numbers. So let's speed it up double at 200%. This is how it looks. But let's slow it down now to around 50%. And there we go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.